Hello friends, today is the last day of the magical practices. Day 28, remember the magic. Every day is a unique day. Each day has different blessings for you to be grateful for. Today is a new day, and whenever you think of all the great things which are happening in your day, you will be more grateful for it. Today's magical practice, remember the magic, is on all the blessings which you have received yesterday. You have to recall all your blessings starting from when you started your day till you go to sleep. Every time you remember this blessing, it will be different because each day is a different day and every time it keeps changing. The blessings might not be same for each day. You can start by asking the questions, what are the great things that happened today? And as you question, your mind will just run across to think and get the answers for it. It can be a small thing or a big thing, that doesn't matter. But you have to be grateful for those blessings or those great things which you received during the day. Just go back to your yesterdays and recall all the great things which you have received. It could be a great news, a phone call from a friend whom you had not spoken for from a long time, or it could be some great project which you wanted to get and you got it, or it can be an email or your favorite food which you had yesterday, or somebody might have give you a compliment, somebody might have helped you to solve a problem, you might have helped somebody to solve, you might receive some appreciation from someone, somebody might have praised you. These are all the good things which we just take for granted and we don't think about it. But from today, we have to remember the magic practice and recall all the good things that happened yesterday and feel as grateful for it as we can and say thank you. Each time we do this practice, the good things or the blessings will be totally different because each time we remember something new that we had missed out last time. So, from today, you have to continue practicing all these magical practices and you can do it as the need arises. Suppose you are not well, you can do the magical practices for your health. Or if a friend is struggling with some finances, you can share that magical practice with him about money. Then there are many practices which you can just mix during a day and continue it, because remember the magic is one of the most important magical practice which can be used for your entire life and it will have a great impact on your life. You have been practicing with me from the last 28 days and the day 1 practice, count your blessings, you might have completed today 280 blessings. Wow, that's a great achievement. When you read across those 280 blessings, you might have not done it in your entire life. But now, after going through these 280 blessings, you might feel like oh, I have achieved so much in life, which I was not even thinking about. Even that seeing those blessings, those list of blessings will make you so happy and so elated that your future life will become easy and it will become a practice for thinking about all the good things in each and everything, because universe has given us all the good things to look for. But if we focus on the negative side, we will attract all the negative things. So, since we have been practicing this from the past 28 days, we are going to focus on the positive side and universe is going to attract all the good things into your life. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. This is the law of universe. So remember the magic, this was created only for you. And do remember the day one practice, count your blessings, write your 10 blessings which you have received and why you're grateful for it. And after each sentence, you have to feel as grateful as you can and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And before you go to sleep, you have to take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and think about the best thing that has happened today and say thank you for being a great audience from past 28 days. Please accept my gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Rubina Sheikh and I was sharing you the 28 magical practices from the book The Magic by author Rhonda Byrne. I felt it a great experience after going through this book and I thought of sharing it with you. So you can share it across to your near dear ones, to your friends or whomever you feel is struggling with some part in their life. You can also subscribe and like my channel and see you further with next coming up videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you.